guys, welcome to Techno Fiction. The third unit of reports and dashboard module is format reports. So in this unit, we will see how to format a report and the types of report formats. There are three report formats and they are tabular, summary and matrix. The default format is tabular format. Let's see the hands-on challenge given here. The hands-on challenge is to create a report to show cases. We have to create a summary report of cases. So let's launch our playground. The difference between tabular format and summary format is, in summary format we will group our data. So go to reports. We have to choose the report type as cases and the report name is case status. Click the new report. Choose the report type as cases. Click continue. In the report name it as case status. We have to change the ranges all time. So go to filters and in the open date choose the ranges all time. Here it is set as all time, so click apply. Now we have to include the fields as case owner, subject and account name. Go to outline. Case owner is there, subject is there and account name is also there. And we have to group it by status. So here we can add group, type as status and click it. We have grouped them by the status column. Now we have to save it. Save it in any folder. I will save it in public reports. We have created the report successfully. Now let's check it. We have completed this unit. Thanks for watching. Do like, share and subscribe.